step, we trust your plan. Through valleys low and desert sands, we fix our eyes on things above, guided by your unending love. We walk by faith, not by what we see. Your promises, Lord, are victory. Through the shadows, your light will guide. In every storm, you're by your side. We walk by faith, not by sight, trusting in your holy might. Your promises, Lord, will never fail. Through every trial, the truth prevails. Through every trial, the truth prevails. We walk by faith, not by what we see. Your promises, Lord, are victory. Through the shadows, the light will guide. In every storm, you're by our side. We walk by faith, not by sight, trusting in your holy might. Your promises, Lord, will never fail. Through every trial, the truth prevails. You part the seas, calm the storm. You make a way where hope is torn. By faith we rise, by faith we stand, held forever in your hand. The unseen realm, a kingdom near, dispels our doubt, removes our fear. In every moment, you're our song. By faith we stand, forever strong. We walk by faith, not by what we see. Your promises, Lord, are our victory. Through the shadows, your light will guide. In every storm, you're by our side. We walk by faith, not by sight, trusting in your holy might. Your promises, Lord, will never fail. Through every trial, the truth prevails. Mountains move, the earth will shake. Your voice commands, the dawn will break. Faith declares, your will is done. Victory is ours through the risen sun. By faith we walk, by faith we see. The unseen God who sets us free, forever held